Welcome to Driver Training. In this video we're dealing with the A442 North as if coming from the M54 junction 4 and heading towards the town centre. As we're coming from the motorway towards the dual carriageway, we have a look at the board on our left, and unfortunately it tells us A442 is left and right, so how do we know where to go? Well, we look at the road markings. Can we see A442 North and town centre is actually right-hand lane. So we cross into the right lane, we can see again town centre, A442 North. Now we see it splits into 3 lanes, but again the road markings tell us the right hand lane is A442 North. So we look at the road layout, we've got our white lines on our left which we don't cross, so we know we're heading towards that right hand curve. As we come round again, the road markings show us this is the lane for A442 North. As we come round, we can see the lanes widening in front of us. We've got our white line on the left, which is leading us towards the chevron, so we don't want to cross that. We've got our white lines on the right, which lead us round, and again we don't want to cross, so we're following our green arrow which is taking us across to the curb and towards the brown sign. This then keeps us safely in our lane in between the white lines, so we're not crossing. The road markings again confirm this is A442 North, but do we go straight or right? Well, as usual, look at the road markings. We can see that the right says it's for Stafford Park and M54, so we don't want that. We can also look on the sign that tells us straight ahead is Telford Town Centre A442, so this is the correct way. Don't forget to leave us a comment, let us know what you think, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. My name's Chris, thanks for joining us. Remember to drive safe, and we'll see you all again soon.